Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x plus 4 minus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 62. We notice that here we have plus sign and here we have minus sign. First of all, we make this minus sign plus 4 minus square root of 15. We can write its denominator 1 and we multiply this expression by 4 plus square root of 15 divided by 4 plus square root of 15. Next we multiply this 4 minus square root of 15 by this 4 plus square root of 15 according to an algebraic identity. A plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to this identity, 4 minus square root of 15 times 4 plus square root of 15 is equal to 4 square minus square root of 15 square divided by 1 times 4 plus square root of 15, 4 plus square root of 15, that is equal to, this square will be cancelled with this square root and 4 square is 16, 16 minus 15, 1 divided by 4 plus square root of 15. So 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 is equal to 4 minus square root of 15. So we replace this 4 minus square root of 15 with this 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x plus, we replace this 4 minus square root of 15 with this 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 62. Next, 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x plus, according to the rule of exponents, a over b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n. This power x will become the power of this one and become the power of this 4 plus square root of 15. 1 to the power x divided by 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 62. Next, 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x plus, now because 1 to the power any number is equal to 1, so this 1 to the power x is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 62. Now we have here 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x and here 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x. So we suppose that let 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to y. Then this equation becomes y plus 1 over y is equal to 62. And if we multiply both sides by y, we get y square plus 1 is equal to 62y. Next we move this 62y to the left side. Y square minus 62y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by quadratic formula. Here a is equal to coefficient of this y square 1 and b is equal to coefficient of this y negative 62 and c is equal to this constant 1. And according to quadratic formula, y is equal to minus, the value of b is minus 62 plus minus square root of negative 62 square minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 1 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next, y is equal to minus minus plus 62 plus minus square root of square of negative 62 is 3844 minus 4 times 1 times 1 4 divided by 2 times 1 2. Next, y is equal to 62 plus minus square root of 3844 minus 4 3840 divided by 2, that is equal to 62 plus minus, we can write this 3840 as square root of 256 times 15 divided by 2. Next, y is equal to 62 plus minus square root of 256 is 16 times square root of 15 divided by 2, and from here 2 1 time and 2 31 times and 2 8 times. So y is equal to 31 plus minus 8 times square root of 15. It means y has two values. Y is equal to 31 plus 8 times square root of 15 and y is equal to 31 minus 8 times square root of 15. Now recall that we have supposed that 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to y. We have supposed 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to y. So first we put the value of y in this equation. The value of y is 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 31 plus 8 times square root of 15. Next, we can write this 31 as 16 plus 15 plus 8 times square root of 15. Next, we can write this 16 as 4 square, and we can write this plus 15 as plus square root of 15 square, and we write this 8 times square root of 15 as plus 2 times 4 times square root of 15. Now there is a algebraic identity that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. According to this identity, this expression is equal to 4 plus square root of 15 whole square, and at left side we have 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x. From here x is equal to 2. This is the first value of x. Now to find the second value of x in this equation, we put this value of y 31 minus 8 times square root of 15. 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to, we put the value of y here 31 minus 8 times square root of 15. Next, we can write this 31 as 16 plus 15 minus 8 times square root of 15. Next, we can write this 16 as 4 square, and we can write this plus 15 as plus square root of 15 square, and this minus 8 times square root of 15 can be written as minus 2 times 4 times square root of 15. And according to an algebraic identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. According to this identity, we can write this expression as 4 minus square root of 15 whole square, and at left side we have 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x. Now this 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to, from here you can see that 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. So we replace this 4 minus square root of 15 with 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. This 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 whole square. Next, according to the rule of exponents, this power 2 will become the power of this 1 and become the power of this 4 plus square root of 15. 1 square divided by 4 plus square root of 15 whole square. Next, 1 square is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus square root of 15 whole square. Next, according to the rule of exponents, 1 over a to the power n is equal to a to the power negative n. According to this rule, we can write this 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 whole square as 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power negative 2, and at left side we have this 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x. 4 plus square root of 15 whole to the power x. From here x is equal to negative 2. This is the second value of x.